Evening. I'm at the Stag in Challock, and it is the 31st of July 2024, and they've got a European car meet, but not many people, unfortunately, not many people have turned up with their cars this evening, so we've only got a very small gathering. And what you can hear in the background in their car park is motorcycles. So got the blue GT3 Porsche, very nice. Nice alloy wheels. Make it expensive there as well. No doubt this is going to be a very short video, but do subscribe and do like my channel, please, as all helps. An Audi V10, blue. RS6 V10 TFSI engine. Got BMW. Estate. Says 3440 injection. A little bit dirty, but never mind. Also got a Bentley here as well. It's got Volkswagen. A people carrier in black. Oh, another person's arrived. So some of these car meets do and do not attract a lot of people. It depends on what people have doing in their lifestyle of an evening, to what brings them out or not. But it's unfortunate, there's not many people turned up here this evening at the moment. But hey ho. Nice Bentley in blue. Bought from Jack Barkley. Not sure which area of the country, but that's where it's been bought from. Nice dark blue Bentley. Nice alloy wheels. I'm not sure what engine size it is. As you can see, it doesn't have the engine open. The GT Volkswagen Golf. Oh, yeah. Very swish. Very swish. He's cleaned this off in his boot. Again, he's got some nice side skirtings. Nice alloy wheels and brake calipers. Blue. Got sport seats, Recaro sport seats. Double exhaust.
Sandpaper still on it or something, or like maybe they was doing the body, but actually no, before maybe they was doing a prime or something. They could have, because it's not around all there. It just seems to be around this area. Honestly, they're actually to a place. Because you can kind of feel it now. You feel it's a bit kind of.
A TFSI. Seems as if it's got part of an Audi engine by the look of it. Looking at it's a Volkswagen, and he's done a bit of a change round of an Audi engine in it. Bit modified, I would say. That is, the engine bit modified. A GT Polo, white. Blue Motion. Double exhaust. Got Renault Clio RS. And that's a double exhaust too. Grey alloy wheels. Renault Sport headrests. Get a little monkey down there. And another black Renault next to that. That's an RS actually. As much as the red one next to it on 60 plate, it's a 56 plate. Oh, a couple more people turning up. That person turned up with a Mini. A few more people might even turn up in time. Lovely Porsche, it really is. This one, blue, and real mega money wheels. Huge brake discs and brake calipers as well. Renault Alpine on the 55 plate, white wheels, blue metallic paint. From Mini, twin power turbo. Very nice too. He's got black alloy wheels to go with the car. And red door handle. An all digital readout of dash. Someone else has only just turned up with their nice shiny blue Lotus. Nice shiny car.
Sorry?
Nice shiny car.
Yeah, well, I thought of. Don't look at the wheels.
Yeah.
I had to use it Sunday and I know can't see.
And we have inside a nice nice cream beige leather interior, but no wood. No wood. It's a Spirit V8. Let's have a look on the flap here. Double exhaust. Very nice alloy wheels. Very standard brake calipers on them. Glass sunroof to it. The engine's at the back on this. So this evening I'm out at Challock in Ashford at a car place called the Stag, where they regularly have car meets, whether it be of an evening or of a weekend during the day. So do come and find them, as they have quiz nights each Friday evening here as well. So do come and find them. Do look them up on Facebook and come out here and find them. As open to anyone, and dog owners as well. they're welcome. So please do.
The paint finish goes like really bad.
It's paint, though.
I ain't cleaned it in about a year, but yeah. I mean, to be fair, it's dirty.
Because I mean,
So normally I wash it all off and then I fucking tyre dress everything. So it's all proper.
you can see it has been done, if you know what I mean. It's not battered. But if you pulled up the bonnet of anything normal, it'd be leaves and all sorts of shit in it, but this is mint. Right, I'm going to make a move, dude.
No worries.
Look after yourself, man.
Yeah, keep it posted on any other bits you do.
Yeah.
Because I just want to get back into the cast up now. I haven't done it properly for about 3 or 4 years.
No.
Have something to enjoy.
Yeah. As I say, sometimes it's just spontaneous. We'll just come up here and we'll have breakfast or something. So yeah, I'll let you know if everyone's doing that. Yeah. Right, dude. Well, enjoy Snowden.
I'll keep you posted if I actually do it. I want to do it. So
Yeah.
I'll probably
Well, it's not like I say, I only be in boat rooms.
Someone else about 10 minutes ago turned up with their Renault Clio, blue, and that's another RS. I'm really seeing because of the windows and the lights. So, there's a bit of a poor turnout tonight here, but it's a shame because it's a very nice evening. Yeah, and it's a shame that not many people bothered to turn out, here this evening. But what can you do? What can you say?